What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I have another awesome recipe for you all to enjoy. We are going to be making the most delicious fish tacos topped with a yummy mango salsa. You're gonna love it. Let's not waste any time and get right on into it. To begin, I have about a pound of some skinless salmon fillet, and we're gonna slice this into the pieces that are going into our tacos. We're gonna make about 6 today, but you can also dice them into chunks to make some like bite-sized pieces if you want. But this is what I'm gonna be going for. Kind of like more on the thin side. This is kind of what I'm going for right here. And I'm just gonna continue doing that until I have all my salmon sliced up, guys. This is gonna be so good. They're not super even, but that's not a big deal. Not the end of the world. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of oil, massage it right on in like so. And we're gonna season this up proper as we always do. On the screen, I have listed everything you need to do so, and it will be listed in the description box as well. I just wanna make sure my salmon is well coated up. Salmon is pretty delicate. You don't have to go too crazy with the seasoning. Sometimes I do it like chicken and stuff like that, but salmon is a little bit more forgiving where you don't have to be too heavy-handed, but you do want to make sure it's well coated up on both sides. So our salmon is pretty much well seasoned up. I'm gonna kind of put this to the side as we work on our mango salsa that's gonna be topping this as soon as they're done. But like I said, let's put this off to the side. All right, next we're gonna work on this little mango salsa that we're gonna top our salmon with. It's really easy. Let me show you how it's done. So like I said, very easy, guys. We have some diced up mangoes right here. Go ahead and toss them into a bowl like so. Diced tomatoes. Nothing really to it, guys. Diced red onion. Gonna save a little bit. Garnish at the end. We're gonna also toss in some cilantro. Not all of it, but a good amount. Go ahead and get that in there. Salt and pepper. And we're gonna also squeeze in the juice of 1 lime. Go ahead and just mix this up, making sure all these wonderful ingredients are talking to one another. This is just beautiful right here, guys. So once you have this all mixed up, you're pretty much ready to move on to the next step. You can cover this or whatever while we work on cooking up that beautiful salmon. But wow, does that look good or what? So we're getting ready to cook our salmon. I have my pan here to about a medium to medium high heat. I'm just gonna drizzle some oil into the pan. You wanna make sure it is well oiled up so it doesn't stick. All right, go ahead and get that salmon right into the pan. Just like so. I think I'm gonna cook them in like 2 batches so I don't overcrowd this pan a little bit too much. You wanna let it go for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Just keep an eye on it. You do not want it to burn. All right, it is time to give it that first flip. And it is looking so good. You want that beautiful color right there. That's exactly what you're looking for. And flip this other one. Wow. Looking amazing. Smelling amazing. Come on now. So go ahead and let that other side cook for that same amount of time. And then we're gonna remove it from the heat and work on the next batch. All right, our first batch is ready to be removed from the pan. This one's kind of breaking up on me a little bit, but it's not a big deal because this is going inside a taco, not the end of the world. And keep in mind, if you have like a thicker piece of salmon like this one, you can kind of flip it on the side as well to kind of help it, you know, become fully cooked. But yeah, it's looking beautiful, guys. I have my tortillas toasted up. We're using Flour Tortillas. I want to put some avocado in here, so that's something nice and simple. Just cut it right down the middle. And then to remove the seed, just get in there, give it a twist, comes right out. Slice it up just like so. I love me some avocado. I'm gonna grab a spoon and then scoop out all that goodness, just like so. I'm just gonna place some slices of avocado right there on our tortilla. Do the same with the other one. Now we're gonna gently take some of that beautiful salmon and just put it right over the top, just like so. It's breaking on me a little bit, but like I said, it's not the end of the world. Still gonna be delicious. Last piece going in right there. And we're gonna top it off with that delicious salsa. That looks so good, guys. Wow. Come on now, look at that. I'm gonna clean up the plate a little bit, of course. Gonna garnish with a few limes. Make it look nice and pretty. And just hit it with a little bit more cilantro over the top, just like so, and you are ready to bust down. How beautiful is this? Looking good, smelling good as always, and I cannot wait to dig in, guys. The presentation on this, come on now, wow. I'm gonna grab myself this taco, and cheers, guys, let's bust down. Oh yeah, bomb.com, bomb.freaking.com, guys. Wow, this is literally an explosion of flavors, guys. Explosion of freaking flavors, so freaking good. Holy cow. This is it right here, guys. This is it. I'm letting you know right now, guys, so much amazing flavors coming from this taco right here. You must give it a try. Everything is well balanced and comes together. Beautiful medley of flavor. I'm dropping salmon all over the place, but beautiful medley of flavor, guys. This is a must try, 10 out of 10. You must try it again and again and again. This is a weekly rotation item that should be in your household. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, subscribe if you're new. Like to let YouTube know you're loving the content, as well as drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about today's video, as well as what you want to see on the next one. I love your recommendations. I will see you on the next one. Deuces, have to finish these tacos.